When it comes to building your own PC, picking the case is just as important as choosing your CPU, motherboard, RAM, GPU, and so on. This is because the size of your case will also determine the size of the motherboard, power supply, GPU, and so on, along with the overall aesthetics. Now if you're a fan of Bethesda's Fallout franchise, then you might be interested to learn that NZXT has unveiled the H700 Nuka-Cola case. This is a PC case that has been themed around Fallout, and the best part is that this is an officially licensed design, meaning that you won't need to worry about it being some kind of knockoff. The case will be based around the NZXT H700, which means that the only thing different would be its aesthetics. This is also not the first time that NZXT has teamed up with a publisher to create an officially licensed case. Prior to this, the company also unveiled the H700 PUBG case, and just like the PUBG case, the Nuka-Cola model will be a limited-run model with only 2,000 units planned. As expected, given its limited nature, it will be pricey and it is set at $300, which is twice the price of the H700, but if you are a fan and wouldn't mind something as eye-catching as this, head on over to NZXT's website for the details. Filed in computers, gaming. Read more about Bethesda and Fallout. Related articles on Uber Gizmo.